Right, hello there. We are here today to show you a fun game or activity called soccer bowling. We've already done a bowling lesson, but rather than actually bowling with your hand, you're actually going to do an inside of the foot soccer pass. So you will simply, when it's your turn to bowl, you'll step beside the ball, step beside the ball here, and you're going to follow through toward your pins or your water bottle. I missed. I get 2 times. We need to put some water in those bottles to keep them up. So I need to work on that. So I have 0. You get 2 tries for each turn to get them to knock down your water bottles. Let me try that again. Woo! Okay, so I actually got 10. And now I'm going to set them up for Mr. Thomas. If you want to keep score, you can just put 10 for me and then, okay, you ready? Woo! Wow! It's a strike in bowling. Way to go. Way to go, Mr. Thomas. Wow. So it's 10-10. So that's really simple. Remember to step beside the ball and follow through. You can, if you want to just use like 3 bottles so you don't have 10, that's fine. Okay, or whatever you have. Hope you guys enjoy it.